Entry again out of Illinois, and Freddie Vasquez for Puerto Rico is here aboard the 13-year-old bay Zangerside Stallion. An entry they acquired in 2013. Over the past couple of seasons, they've had Grand Prix ribbons in Colorado and Chicago events. Also placed here in Kentucky with the Kentucky Hunter Jumper Association and Kentucky National Grand Prix last year. And this season in Wellington were part of the $127,000 Grand Prix ribbons during week 10 of the Winter Equestrian Festival. Well, the time's going to be 81.22 here for Freddie Vasquez. That is under the 84 seconds allowed, but we do need to assess faults for the knockdowns, 2 of them, and that will be an 8-fault total with ZIPPO Z.
816.